Welcome back. And today, the reason I've been so MIA. So, guess what? We've been building a chicken coop out of nothing less than scrap wood and pallets. So come along and you can see what I've been up to. So this whole chicken coop started off with this crazy cage that my husband found on the side of the road. My daughter Addison here had great plans for it to become a chicken coop. So we started off with some pallets. We pulled all the wood off because at that time I didn't know how to use all the saws yet. We reapplied them to make the floor of our chicken coop. Now wait, what is this cage doing here? Well, we thought at first that we'd use it as a chicken run, but then after further thought, we decided that we would sell it and use it to make this chicken coop that we were building from the pallet even bigger. So I went to work shoring this thing up. We added wood to the top to enclose it. I shored up the corners which were a little weak and even added a lid for the top. And would you believe I sold this thing? I listed it on Facebook, had lots of offers, and I sold it for $75. Now, to continue on with our chicken coop. We've built some walls here. Some of them were from scrap wood, and others, one of them actually was up from a pallet. So let's take a look. So during all this time of building, Addison and I here, we were keeping it a secret until now. My husband Damon is actually an expert builder, really talented guy. And once we told him, he was able to take action and use the skills that we didn't have quite yet, and we learned some more things. And I was continuing my weight loss journey, losing a few more pounds, and then I also learned how to use the table saw. So here's the progress. Addison is having a lot of fun here, and she's enjoying the progress. We have more to do, but we are getting close to finished. We have to get the wire in and finish the roof and add some shingles. But I love our progress, and I think it's going to be a great home for some chickens. So stay tuned for another episode, and you'll get to see the finale, hopefully soon, of what our chicken coop tractor looks like in the end. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.